Hi everyone, this is your host Raya de Guzman for MyTV Cebu. We are here at the Waterfront Hotel and Casino for the Coronation Night of Binibining Cebu 2018. Guests filled up the Waterfront Pacific Grand Ballroom in their red carpet outfit, each supporting their respective bets among the 54 beautiful candidates.
Surrounds me, everyone agrees. Life has taken you this far, believing what is in your heart. The time has come for you to shine. Binibining Cebu, fairest of the South, beautiful Cebuana, beauty inside out, brighter than the stars, fairest of the South, beautiful Cebuana, radiant inside out, Binibining Cebu, nothing but the best. Your lovely grace stands out above the rest. Always on my mind, the beauty of this island, so divine. From the mountains to the sea, this is where I want to be. The time has come for you to shine. Binibining Cebu, fairest of the South, beautiful Cebuana, beauty inside out, brighter than the stars, fairest of the South, beautiful Cebuana, radiant inside out, Binibining Cebu. Life has taken you this far, believing what is in your heart. The time has come for you to shine, Binibining Cebu. Life has taken you this far, believing what is in your heart. The time has come for you to shine, Binibining Cebu.
Women, a force in our history, from our pre-colonial past to the Spanish era until today. Our destiny is influenced by women. We look to the past in gratitude. We honor our heritage for what we have become. Women of strength, dignity, intelligence, beauty. This is the Cebuana.
Centuries ago in our pre-colonial past, the Cebuana was already a significant part of society. We were accorded enormous power within a clan, allowed to own business, allowed to own property, and engage in trade and business. We were political leaders, priestesses, and healers. We were the foundation of early Philippine society.
the role of the Cebuana evolved, along with the adaptation of the Christian values. We came to experience the development of love within the family. In this era, we provide the necessary support to our husband, children, and communities, contributing quietly but essentially. We are the heart, we are the light of every home.
Today, the modern Cebuana is almost the equal of her male counterpart. In the different roles we play in society, we are highly regarded for our ability to use both mind and heart. We have made great progress in the fight for equality and respect. And we continue to do so together with every Cebuana here tonight.
We are builders. We are leaders.
We are loving, we are compassionate.
We are brave. We are empowered.
We are beautiful.
Tonight, the story of the Cebuana continues to unfold.
Welcome to
Binibining Cebu 2018!
Live at the Pacific Grand Ballroom of the Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino, this is the 2018 Binibining Cebu Beauty Pageant. Wearing little red dresses by Carrie Santiago and shoes and accessories by Shandar. Please welcome your fabulous 53 official candidates.
Marie Celeria Balhan! Isabella Deutsch Bourbon!
Vanessa Aman, Car City.
Hey, Marina Palmenares, Carmen!
Karen Kiko Ganmon! Dian Padillo, Cebu Sirinor!
Dorcy Iguta, Sagun City South!
Amelie Mira Gravel, Compostela! Jasmine Murray, Consolacion! Melody Ann Infante, Cordova!
Daryl Faith Danyover, Daan Bantayan!
Princess Joselme,
Pahamonte, Galagete! Christine Isabel Rudolph, Canal City! Marie Lorraine Gasukalia, Dumanhog! Sharon Grace Angel, Hina Dylan! Maria Shaleto Corazon Abandan, Lapu-Lapu City! RJ Familiaran Ruben, Lilua! Tracy Maureen Perez, Madre Devon! Maria Del Zacal, Malabuyo! Steppy Rose, Pearson of Barastery, Mantawi City! Shana May Balanza, Midilien! Christine Angeliama, Mingdanilia! China Fame Marima Batin, Bual Bual! Ivy Tan Quezon Topic, City of Naga! Rubik Nabel Verano, Oslo! Girly Tabanao Katimar, Pilar! Aryan May Roque Mantigas, Binamungahan! Prilin May Flores, Coro! Lou Dominique Pixon, Rada! Ivy Marie Catubig Esparcia, Sambuan! Mary Grace Olmo Castillo, San Fernando! Princess Donna Ortega Paraiso, San Francisco! Shazne Horace, San Remigio! Kimberly Banap Tambugon. Zenishun Tabelan. Mary Grace Tautuan Tulada City. Trixie O. Tuburan. Shin Lady Marcel Maria Tudela.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your hosts tonight, Miss Earth 2008, Carla Henry, and BJ, host, radio DJ, and actor, Casey Montero.
Wow! Hello, Cebu! Hello, Waterfront Hotel, and hello to you, Carla.
Hello, Casey. Welcome to Cebu.
Thank you. It's amazing. Wow, these women look absolutely stunning. Hello to the 53 beautiful candidates tonight for Binibining Cebu 2018. And hello to all the people here tonight. Hi! 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 Okay, we're good. Yeah, hi.
Well, Casey, welcome to
Yes.
Binibining Cebu 2018, the biggest, the grandest competition here in the Visayas with 53 beautiful, lovely ladies. Can we give them another warm round of applause?
Now, also, good job to the opening number. It was beautiful, and you can see it was a depiction of what the women were going through in different eras. We had the pre-Hispanic era, we had the Spanish regime, all the way up to the modern-day era. We'd also like to say thanks to last year's winner, Sam, Maria, and April. You guys did very well.
They did fantastic, actually, because, you know, Casey, these girls have been working very hard the last year, so they have been truly great queens the past year that they've been reigning. And of course, as you can see, they were significant integral members of society from the very beginning. We have definitely come a long way considering that we, the women, that we are in the society.
Yes. Let me just comment on your outfit first.
It's
That's-
lovely, isn't it?
Yes, it's very Ebonish.
I'm getting carried away tonight.
Yeah, okay. Well, she looks great. All right, so...
Cebuanos will get that pun.
Okay, well, flew right over my head. Another one. It's going to be an exciting night, and we have a lot of things in store for all of you.
Oh, it's truly so exciting indeed to be part of a pageant this caliber and magnitude, not only in Cebu, but in the entire country.
Right, tonight, we do have a total of 53 candidates, each representing all the cities and municipalities of the beautiful island of Cebu. And it's not a difficult, it's a very difficult task actually putting such a show together.
You know, Casey, it's not easy being a beauty queen.
I know.
It's really not. Oh, you know.
Oh, yeah. There was a time in 1995.
Ah, vulgar.
Yeah, bonga.
Well, as I said, it's not easy because, you know, Casey, been there, done that. These ladies have undergone such rough competitions already the last couple of weeks. They didn't just show up here tonight. They've actually undergone several competition rounds the past few weeks.
Yes, that's right. We did have a pre-pageant judging, and these pre-pageant competitions are going to be how we narrow down into our top 25 and also how we find out who's going to win our special awards.
That's right, 30% out of the 100 for the pre-pageant swimsuit competition, another 30% for the pre-pageant long gown competition, 25% for the pre-pageant interview, and 15% organizer score for the candidates' attendance and general attitude towards all the pageant's activities and requirements. That's what it takes to get into the 25.
It seems like a lot, and I think it's about time for us to get into our first set.
Well, I know you guys all have your own bets, so let's get this ball rolling. First corporate award this evening is Sun's People's Choice Award.
Yes, that's right. This candidate had the most votes will win the Sun People's Choice Awards. Voting started September 26th and ended just earlier at 3 p.m.
Binibining Cebu's 2018 Sun People's Choice Award goes to Delegate Princess Giselle Bahamonte.
Congratulations. All right, let's begin with Miss Photogenic. This award goes to the candidate with the most captivating smile captured on camera. We would like to thank John Unson, renowned fashion photographer and the official photographer of Binibining Cebu 2018. Miss Photogenic is Matadejos Tracy Maureen Perez.
Mr. John Onson, and congratulations to Miss Madridejos. Next, we announce this year's Miss Congeniality. This award goes to the friendliest and most approachable amongst our 53 official candidates. She is the darling of the group and never fails to put a smile on all her fellow candidates' faces. You know, this is my favorite award.
Is it?
Is it? Yeah,
Oh,
it is. Because this is the only award, ladies and gentlemen, that is in the hands of our actual candidates themselves. Miss Congeniality is... Who is it? Ladies, who is it? Star City! Vanessa Claudine Aman!
Next up, we have Best in Production Number. This is the candidate that stood out in the opening production number at the very beginning of the show. You all witnessed that. She got all the steps right. You didn't hear her or see her counting 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, ball change. So she didn't do any of that stuff. She was a very great dancer and a natural learner.
Binibining Cebu's 2018 Best in Production Number goes to... Miss Aluginsan, Miss Angelique Christine Navarro. And of course, finally, we announce the winner of Binibining Cebu's Sacred Heart School Batch 1985 Foundation Incorporation.
The chosen winner of this award embodies the core values upheld by the Cebu Sacred Heart School Batch of 1985 Foundation, Inc., while standing poised and beautiful under any challenge faced, remaining humble with both feet firmly planted on the ground. Again, this year we're actually having 2 winners. All right, here we go. Our first recipient of this award of Binibining Cebu SHS Batch 1985 Foundation, Inc. is Miss Oslab Ruby Clavel Verano.
And the second recipient of this award of Binibining Cebu Sacred Heart School Batch 1985 Foundation Incorporation is none other than Miss Balaban Alaya Kirstine Doberty. Congratulations to the winners of all of our corporate awards this evening. All right, Cebu, here we go. Binibining Cebu 2018 Top 25. We're gonna give you guys 5 seconds. Shout out, who do you think is gonna be in the 25?
I heard it. I heard it. They said, "Ah."
All right. Woo, this is intense. Ladies, good luck. You guys have done a fantastic job. All of you are now part of the Binibining Cebu family, and we welcome all of you. Good luck, ladies. Here we go. First finalist in the top 25 is Binibining Tumuran. Congratulations to Miss Trixie Ong. Making it into the 25 is Miss Alegria Kimberly Covert. Make your way down, Binibining So Good, Angel Kate Uy. Take a deep breath, Miss Aluginsan, Angelique Christine Navarro. You're part of the 25, Miss San Remigio Shazney Corres. Come on down, Binibining Badyan, Rabiela Lewis. Take a deep breath, Miss San Francisco, Princess Donna Paraiso. Here we go, hands together for Binibining Bantayan, Mary J. Felizarta. You've made it to the 25, Binibining Rhonda, Lou Dominic Pigzon. Join us, Binibining Bogos City, Mariah Alina Lequin. Make your way down, Binibining Naga City, Ivy Topic. Come on down, Binibining Bolhon, Sheena Marie Celerio. Breathe easy, Binibining Minglanilia, Christine and Gilyama. Join your fellow finalists, Binibining Bourbon, Isabella Deutsch. Breathe easy, Binibining Medellin, Sheena May Balansag. Make your way down, Binibining Karkar City, Vanessa Claudine Aman. Take your spot, Binibining Mandawi City, Steffi Rose Pearson Aberasturi. Come on down, Binibining Carmen, Terry Marina Colmenares. Few more slots remain, and that belongs to Binibining Madridejos, Tracy Marine Perez. You made it, Binibining Katmon, Karen Keith Go. Come on down, Binibining Liluan, with Binibining Cebu City North, Diane Padillo. This is it, Binibining Hinatilan, Sharon Grace Angel. Alright guys, 2 more slots remain. And one of them belongs to Binibining Dalaget, Princess Joselle May Bahamonde. And rounding off the top 25 is Binibining Danao City, Christine Rudolph.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, your top 25 semifinalists for Binibining Cebu 2018. And to the rest of the ladies, thank you very, very much. We know that you all will make your friends and family and respected municipalities very, very proud. Thank you. And to our top 25, congratulations and good luck.
Nindot yun sa biyahe, bisag, mahal ang pamiliti, basta kuyog tang duha. Wagyo'y katapusan ng kalipay, bisag, guba kong inapay, basta bungan tang sakay. Bisan paglikoon, tungason, libahong, basta kauban ti ka. Wanay dagan pa nga pangutana, bisag hubas atong pitaka, basta lingaw lang tang duha. Di ko mabalaka nga masaag, bisan maabtan pa o buntag, basta tuyog lang taglaag. Bisan paglapukon, luksungon, lubakon, basta kauban ti ka. Mura kong nag-tour all around the world kung kauban ti ka. Mura kong nag-tour all around the world kung kauban ti ka. Mura kong nag-tour all around the world kung kauban ti ka. Mura kong nag-tour all around the world kung kauban ti ka.
Kalamba na. Naro? Shane, text lang. Uy guys, snacks.
What's the driver?
Sweet lover!
All right. Good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen.
Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan for all your support. And now, Casey, it is time to introduce the people that have the best seats in the house this evening, but unfortunately the toughest job, I believe, right? Ladies and gentlemen, let's introduce the distinguished panel of judges.
That's right. It's definitely not going to be an easy job for you guys tonight. So, ladies and gentlemen, our first judge is Anson Orr. He is the executive director of Yahoo Philippines, one of Binibining Cebu's presenters. Thank you so much.
Professional model and design student, more than 30 pageant titles to her name, including Miss Brazil Business 2018, Miss Asia Pacific International Brazil 2018, Miss Asia Pacific Brazil Empresarial 2018, and Miss Asia Pacific International 2018 first runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the beautiful Gabriela Palma.
Our next judge, a renowned ophthalmologist and founder of the Larazabal Eye Group, the premier eye laser center in the Visayas and Mindanao, a compassionate philanthropist who founded Run for Sight Foundation, a successful marathoner, the first Cebuano 6-star finisher of the World Marathon Majors, and finished more than 50 marathons all over the world, president and chairman of the board of Cebu Doctors Group of Hospitals, member of SHS 8 batch 19, oh my gosh, 85 and my former cousin-in-law, Yong Larazabal.
President of First Standard Finance Corporation, dive master and environment advocate herself, and hospitality leadership focused in hospitality administration management from Cornell University. Managing director of Sheridan Beach Resort and Spa, and the president of Miss Asia Pacific International, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jacqueline Tan Sains.
Studied fashion design at the Fashion Institute of the Philippines, designer of the Hello Kitty Couture collection featured in America's Next Top Model, dresses high society and the biggest stars in show business, including international superstars like Tyra Banks, hopefully one day, Casey Montero. His creations appeared in numerous international fashion shows, including the Canada Philippine Fashion Week, the Sakura Collection in Japan, and Fashion NXT, Portland, Oregon's version of Fashion Week. One of Philippines' A-list designers, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Francis Liberan.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, gracing our panel of judges this evening is a Cebuana herself, born in Santa Fe, Cebu, an actress, model, dancer, and beauty queen under GMA Network. She was the first Miss World Philippines Reina Hispano-America and gave us the first title of Reina Hispano-America when she won it back in 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Winwin Marquez.
All right, let's get to the chairman of the board of judges. This is a long list, and I have to do this right because he's my manager. The president and CEO of the ALV group of companies, handling the careers of some of the country's brightest local and international celebrities, including 8-time world boxing champion Manny Pacquiao, record, film, and concert producer, advertising, PR, and events genius specialist, consultant to some of the country's top political figures, national director of Miss World Philippines and Mr. World Philippines Singapore and Malaysia pageants, a regular juror in the Soho International Film Festival in New York City, and one of the hardest working individuals I have ever met in my life. Ladies and gentlemen, the chairman of the board of judges, Mr. Arnold Vegafria.
All right, right, that rounds up our distinguished panel for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give another big round of applause for the people behind the fantastic seats this evening.
That is right. Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes.
thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen, and thank you, ladies, for sharing your precious time with us this evening and for helping us choose the next Binibining Cebu.
That's right. And also, we want to thank some other people because none of our candidates are going home tonight empty-handed. All 53 of our candidates will be receiving 10,000 pesos in cash. Our top 25 will all receive 20,000 pesos cash. Our top 12 will receive 30,000 pesos cash, and that is just by making it into our finals. So from the top 12, we crown the top 5 after considering their intelligence and wit in the final interview, where each of our candidates will be answering one common question. This is where we also reveal tonight's winner, Binibining Cebu 2018, and of course her court. We actually have a couple questions, so that's different.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
Ladies and gentlemen, wearing their salty activewear swimsuits, together with the Blackbird of R&B, Mr. Luke Mijares, please welcome once again our 53 official candidates in their official Binibining Cebu 2018 swimsuit competition.
And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be done. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, girl I know. She told me to worry about it. She told me to worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me to worry, be alone. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, but I love it. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, but I love it. And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be done. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. All the makers are being just necessary when we're deep in love. Girl, I know, girl, I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me we'll never be alone.
Here on our Top 25 Binibining Cebu 2018 swimsuit competition, we begin with Tuburan. Alegria. Sogo. Aloginsan. San Remeo. Pageant. San Francisco. Pantaya. Ronda. Bogo City. City of Naga. Bolhoon. Minglanelia. Borbon. Medellin. Carcar City. Mandaue City. Carmen. Madrideos. Catmon. Liloan. Cebu City North. Hinatilan. Dalagete. Danao City.
But I love it. I can see my face when I'm with you. But I love it. But I love it. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. But I love it. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it, but I love it. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it, but I love it.
Thank you very much, Luke Mijares, and thank you, Salted Activewear, our official swimwear, and to our lovely ladies. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Primero A Cappella Group.
ikaw ang bituin sa ngit-ngit kong baybayo, ikaw lang. Akong higugmao, ikaw lang. Ako matinod alo. Ikaw akong hangin, ikaw akong ulan, ikaw akong langit, kung akong kalibutan, ikaw lang. Akong higugmaon, ikaw lang. Ako matinod ano. Ikaw akong kahapon, ikaw akong karon, ikaw akong kanunay, tulong-tulong mo ganay, kasing-kasing paminawan, ginayugan din kita, huwag ka nag-iisara, kani mo nahiguman. Ikaw ang katamis, kalipay ngaway sama. Ikaw ba nasayo sa likod ng pahiyo, ikaw lang. Akong higugmaon, ikaw lang. Ako matinod ano. Ikaw akong kahapon, ikaw akong karon, ikaw akong kanunay, tulong-tulong mo ganay, kasing-kasing paminawan, dinayugan din gitara, huwag ka nag-ilusara, kani mo nahiguman. Pagbuhalan ng ibatik sa akong pinubuhin, ikaw lang. Pagbigat sa pagbuhay, mahanaw malayaw, magsubukang pag-ibay, hindi ka dulang, hindi kita sipayan.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. All of our candidates in their beautiful evening wear.
You know, Casey, you and I have hosted quite a few pageants already, right?
Yes.
Quite a few. And we've gone kind of here and there. And I don't know, I'm a bit biased, but I have to say this is really one of the biggest pageants we've hosted.
I'm not going to be biased, but I'm going to say that this is definitely the biggest pageant that me and you have hosted together. And this one, though, I mean, the stage alone, 53 candidates, the thousands of people here. They had to put 500 more seats down. Like, this is amazing. And I'm actually very excited to find out who's going to win and excited to be here.
Well, you know what? Binibining Cebu actually wanted to really do things a bit differently, you know? I mean, where do you see an entire full cast orchestra in a pageant? I mean, come on, Cebu. Can we give our wonderful orchestra a big round of applause? And not to mention, they combined it with a band.
Yes.
Over there. Congratulations to our band as well this evening. You know, Binibining Cebu fans are a level of their own,
Yes.
Casey.
Yes.
They have followed these ladies from the very beginning, from the time that we had their press conference or press presentation to their preliminaries to this night right here. You guys are the best fans ever!
And it's packed. It is filled to the rafters. They brought their posters, they brought their flashlights.
Yes. Ladies, congratulations. Job well done for making it to the 25, and good luck to the next 12 ladies who are about to move on. All right. Binibining Cebu Top 12 begins with Binibining Hinadilan Sharon Grace Angel.
Congratulations. Making it into the top 12, we also have
Binibining Ming Manila, Christine and Guillerma.
a huge congratulations for making it into the top 12 from Cebu City North, Diane Padillo.
Join them, Binibining Ronda Lou Dominic Pigzon.
Also making it into the top 12, Binibining Bogo City, Mariah Janina Lakin.
Halfway through, and the next spot belongs to Binibining Alegria, Kimberly Colbert.
Making it into the top half from Mandaue City, Steffi Rose Pearson Abarasturi.
Take a deep breath and move forward. Binibining Naga City, Ivy Topic.
Down to 4 we have from Bourbon, Isabella Deutsch.
Slots remain, and one of them belongs to Binibining Medellin, Sheena May Balanzan.
Here we go into our final 2 positions in the top 12. Binibining San Francisco, Princess Donna Camaiso.
Completing our 12 finalists this evening. Last lot belongs to Binibining Kinsa Madre de Hos, Tracy Maureen Perez.
your top 12 finalists for Binibining Cebu 2018. To the rest of the ladies, we thank you very much. You should all be extremely proud of yourselves.
That's absolutely right, ladies. Congratulations. To our top 12 ladies, this is the final cut of the night, which means one of these 12 ladies standing in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, will be crowned Binibining Cebu 2018. Again, as I said, Binibining Cebu likes to spice things up, so this year we're doing Q&A a little bit different. There is a twist, ladies and gentlemen. Unlike the usual pageant, we will have not one, but two common questions for the evening. The first is casual, and the second is the clincher.
That's right. So for this round right here, each one of you will be answering the same final question, and that is why we have headphones and earphones playing very loud Justin Bieber music to prevent you guys from hearing anything.
Ladies,
can you hear me?
Can you hear us?
Can you hear us?
If you put your hand up first, you are now the new Binibining Cebu.
Who's the better looking Montero? They would say Casey if they could hear me. Okay.
Hello, Ms. Hinatilan. All right, to keep it fair for everyone, as you can see, our ladies all have headphones, and each of you will be given 30 seconds to answer the first question and 60 seconds on the second or this last question. And of course, every time that the time limit is up, you will hear this. Beautiful, right?
Yeah, it's a very nice way to say that's enough time.
All right, now we call on Mr. Kenneth Lim, President of Sacred Heart School Batch 1985 Foundation Incorporated.
Here is your first question. What makes you blush?
What makes me blush is being up here tonight. I'm very thankful because as a mother, I'm very happy to be given the second chance to prove myself here. And what makes me blush more is my faith in God and my loving family who is here tonight to support me and to the people who believes in my potential.
Okay, thank you. Now it is time for your clinching question. This is supposed to be the most difficult question. What quality of Binibining Cebu is most important to you, and how can you take it, or how can you make it Cebu a better place? I'll repeat myself. What quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place?
The qualities of a Binibining Cebu is traits of being resilient, genuine, and faithful Cebuana. She should have the heart of a true Binibining Cebu. And if I win this crown tonight, I will make a platform for all single moms like me. I want to be the voice to encourage all young single moms that it is never too late to achieve and fulfill your dreams in life. Because in life, we continue to experience. Because from experience, we learn how to grow. From growing, we learn how to give. From giving, we also let others experience life to the fullest. And that is what I plan to do as your Binibining Cebu 2018.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Hinatilan. Up next, we have Ms. Minglanilia. Good evening, Ms. Minglanilia. You will have 30 seconds to answer your first question and 60 seconds to answer the last. So, Minglanilia, your first question is, what makes you blush?
What makes me blush? King akong crush. He inspire me every time makita na ko siya. Ma-inspire ko sa akong buhaton nun. And I think gusto na ko siya mauyab. Pero I'm still a student. That's why crush lang sa.
To the judges who may not have understood, she said what makes her blush is her crush, and that she hopes that they will be boyfriend and girlfriend one day, but she's focused on her studies for now, so maybe in the future. All right, Miss Minglanilia, here's the clincher. What quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place? I'll repeat it in Cebuano.
Okay, yeah.
Unsa ang pinaka-importante na kinaiya sa usa ka binibining Cebuana, unya unsaon kini paggamit para sa kalambuan sa Cebu.
Ang maayong butang na buhaton sa usa ka Cebuana kay ang pagserbisyo. Pagtabang sa mga tao nga nanginangahanglan o pag-lift up each and every one of us. Because that's what Binibining Cebu should do to everyone. We should lift up each other and reach for our dreams. And what we are today will become better future for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
The first part, judges, she said that the best kinaiya or the best important thing you have to know about Cebuana is that the service that they provide.
Okay,
Hello, on the spot na sad.
let's call out our next candidate from Cebu City North. Hi, Diane. So your first question is, what makes you blush?
What makes me blush is my boyfriend, of course. Even though we've been together for 7 years, it's just that every time I look at him, I still blush. He keeps me inspired, and he's always there every time I have every decision that I make. He is always there supporting me, and he's just so sweet and kind.
Thank you. Kilig ako. All right, your next question. She's blushing now, actually. Your next question, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place?
The best trait to be is humility. Because no matter how you think, because no matter how rich you think you are, all these material things that you have right now doesn't matter when we reach the eternal life. Because God is always there to protect us. And how can I bring this to Cebu? Is just to show it to the world. I'm not in the world, but in Cebu also. And that's the best quality of Cebuana. Of a Cebuana. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Miss Cebu City North. Up next, we have Miss Rhonda.
Good evening. How are you?
Good. I'm feeling good.
Okay.
All right, Binibining Rhonda, your first question for 30 seconds is, what makes you blush?
Call me old school, but what makes me blush is old romance. Bringing flowers, going to movie dates, going to the park for a little walk. And I think there's still a number of women here who agrees that old school or old classic love is still one of the best.
Binibining Rhonda, your question number 2 for this evening is, what quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place? Once again, what quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you make Cebu a better place?
I think the most important quality of a Binibining Cebu is humility. Because once you get crowned as Binibining Cebu, opportunities, audiences will come clashing to you, and they will look at you like the most important person in the world. But when you keep your feet on the ground, that will make you more memorable. Your reign will forever be not just in the paper, but in everyone's hearts. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your answers.
Up next, we have Miss Bogo City.
Good evening, Mariah. How are you?
I'm fine.
Here is your first question. What makes you blush?
The thought of that I am being loved back for the people who loves me. The support that I'm getting for my fellow Bogohanons who from the very start are very supportive. The unending support of the Bogohanons makes me really blush. And of course, I want to say I love you so much and thank you for supporting me all the way.
All right. Here is your next question. What quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you make Cebu a better place?
The quality of a Cebuana that is very important for me is the willingness to never give up, the determination of not failing. Because whoever people tries to break you down, and whatever situation that is really hard, a proud Cebuana, a fighter Cebuana never gives up. And it makes Cebu a better place. For Cebuana makes Cebu a better place for we are successful in our respective endeavors. And I think that's the very important quality a Cebuana have. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Miss Bogo City. Up next, we have Miss Alegria.
Hello, Kimberly. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing wonderful. How about yourself?
I'm still okay. Yeah, I'm still fine. Still bald.
All right, Binibining Alegria, this is your first question. For 30 seconds, what makes you blush?
My man. I love love, and I believe in the power of love. Love is all around us, and I know every one of us here, love makes us blush. That's what makes me blush.
Second question for this evening, for 60 seconds. What quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place? Once again, what quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place?
I think the most important quality that a Binibining Cebu should have, or a Cebuana, is honesty. If you're honest with yourself, and you know who you are, you know your true core values, and you're able to share that, especially as someone who is here on this platform tonight where everybody listens to your voice, you have to be honest. People look up to you. You have to be a good leader. You have to be believable. Honest leaders, queens, stand out. And that's the most important value that a Cebuana should have. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Binibining Alegria. Up next, we have Binibining Mandawi City.
Hi, how are you? Good?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Okay, here we go. Your first question. What makes you blush?
Oh, okay. What makes me blush, to be honest, every time when I see my boyfriend. Every time when he's coming to me, it always reminds me the first love of sight. And that makes me blush.
Jeez.
So hi to my boyfriend.
All right, so here is your second question. What quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place?
For me, the best quality of a Cebuana, someone who has the compassion. Because I came here in Binibining Cebu believing that I can make a big difference, not just only in my life, but to the thousands of millions of people out there. I can make a difference through touching them, inspiring them, and generating love. And that is the most important thing for me, compassion. Because through compassion, I can help many people. And that's the main reason why I'm here, to make a big difference.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Mandawi City. Up next, we have Miss City of Naga.
Good evening. So your first question is, What makes you blush?
What makes me blush is when I saw my sons laughing at me. Because the moment that I saw my child when I gave birth, that's the time that my tears fell down, and that's the greatest happiness that I've ever felt in my life.
Okay, and your next question. What quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place?
The quality that a pure Cebuana should possess is equality who knows how to understand. Because if you know how to understand, you know how to weigh things. You will not consider things who's poor or who's rich. And if you have that quality, I know and I can say that you can be a Binibining Cebu 2018.
Thank you very much, City of Naga, ladies and gentlemen.
Up next, we have Bourbon. Your first question this evening, 30 seconds. What makes you blush?
What makes me blush? I blush when I see kids smiling. I really love kids and I really love how they play and how they adopt to things so easily. I love the kids and it makes me really blush.
Binibining Bourbon, your second question this evening for 60 seconds is, what quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place? Once again, what quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place?
A Cebuana is a woman of compassion. A Cebuana is a woman of character, of integrity, and love. But most importantly, a Cebuana is a woman of hope. I am a Cebuana, and I love Cebu, and I will do everything I can. May it be under the sun, in the forest, near the homeless, in the kids, wherever. Put me there, and I will lend my hand, and I will use my voice as a power into making Cebu a better place. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you.
Thank you, Binibining Bourbon. Now let's welcome Binibining Medellin. Binibining Medellin, your first question is, what makes you blush? Unsa ang makapula nimo?
Good evening. What makes me blush is when people called me, "Guapa kaayo ka, it's because of your dimples." And I'm very blessed to have this gift from God because with this, naka-attract ko og mga tao which people really appreciate me. Thank you.
Your second question this evening is, what quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place? Unsa ang pinaka-importante na kinaiya sa usa ka Binibining Cebuana, unya unsaon kini paggamit para sa kalambuan sa Cebu?
I believe that important value that the Binibining Cebu should be is the flexibility. Able to adopt the diverse culture, diverse heritage, and that we are able to cooperate or to be united as one, because I believe that the core value of humanity is to bring happiness and love, most especially to our parents and more so to the rest of the world. Good evening.
Thank you.
Thank you, Binibining Medellin. Up next, we have Binibining San Francisco.
Good evening, Princess. Your first question is, what makes you blush?
Okay, with all honesty, I'm getting red every time I'm nervous. But I'm here in front of you, fighting my fears with all confidence. And that's all.
Okay. Here you go with question number 2. What quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place?
We Cebuanos are very known to be the strongest person here in our country. We are known to be the most palaban person here in our country. And I think we should, every time people might judge us or put us down, I always telling this to myself, that no matter what happened, let them be. And let our success will be our greatest revenge. And that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Binibining San Francisco. Up next, we have Binibining Madridejos.
Good evening, Tracy. How are you?
Good evening, everyone. I'm very excited and nervous at the same time.
All right, Binibining Madridejos, your first question for 30 seconds. What makes you blush?
Receiving compliments from everyone, may it be from my family, from my friends, or even from a stranger, it makes me blush. It's just really heartwarming to know that people appreciate you. And I think we should all do that. Compliment one another, lift each other up, be happy, and make others happy as well.
Your second question for 60 seconds. What quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place? Once again, what quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place?
A Binibining Cebuana is resilient. In times of adversities that more often than not come our way, no matter our gender, our religion, or our status in life, we always rebuild, recover, and come out stronger. And I believe that is exactly what we need to make Cebu a better place to live in. To live through the hard times, not making excuses, but finding solutions instead. To survive and be happy no matter the circumstance. And of course, to use our stronger self to lift each other up. And I believe this is what we truly need. This is what Cebu truly needs. And I'm very proud to say that I am resilient and I am a Binibining Cebuana. Thank you.
Just made it.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Binibining Madridejos. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up our final interview of the night with our top 12 beautiful and very, very intelligent ladies.
And very blushing ladies, that's right. So there you have it, folks. We are just moments away of crowning Binibining Cebu 2018.
It's going to be a tough decision, but we leave that to the hands of our very capable judges. It's a tough one.
It is in your hands.
Sine, wala tayo laing lingaw. Kandila, luyo sa habol katawang binairan ug tisong kinawat sa gubaong pitakang lola. Anino sa mga artistang papel, gihingan lang tag si Pedro Sabel, silang bida niya tong istorya sa gugmanga way katumanan. Sine, sine, sine sa bata pa, di na unta matapos pa. Bisan pa man sa pagdagan sa pa
sige, halangi mong paglakaw. Ay kahadlok may kahayag mudan, ag sa dalang mangit-ngit, lakip na ang langit daw, lapat nga adlaw. Ang kinabuhi sugilanong hiwet, kalipay kasakit ug kalamig, silang bida niining salida, sagug mga way katumanan. Sine, sine, sine sa bata pa, di na unta matapos pa. Bisan pa man sa pagdagan sa panahon, lantaw mga eksena nga ulabay, kanang tawa makasakay. Saksihan ta ang pagdagan sa panahon, panahon. Sine, sine sa bata pa, di na unta matapos pa. Bisan pa man sa pagdagan sa panahon, lantawon mga eksena nga mulabay, kanang tawa makasakay. Saksihan ta ang pagdagan sa panahon, panahon.
Ladies and gentlemen, the farewell walk of Binibining Cebu 2017 and her court.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. This past year, serving as your Binibining Cebu charity fills my heart with nothing but love and gratitude for everyone who has made this possible. Thank you so much to my family, my Gigantics, and my Origin Model Management family for inspiring me to embark on this journey and for the love and support you have given me. Lastly, and most importantly, my biggest and sincerest thanks goes out to the Binibining Cebu Committee, headed by Mommy Carrie Santiago and the Batch 85 of Sacred Heart School Jesuits. I have no words to express what an honor it has been to work with some of the brightest minds of Cebu, whom I have come to know not only as my mentors, but as the makers of the proud history of Cebu. Thank you for allowing me a humble part in your legacy. And to the candidates, remember that behind every gown are knees that tremble, just like ours. The titles will change from candidate to crown, but the mission will always remain the same. That is, in doing what you love, you must always strive to make Cebu and the world a better place.
Binibining Cebu isn't another pageant. It's a celebration of the Cebuana culture with 54 women, each carrying the name of a municipality with pride. I would like to thank Binibining Cebu for letting me carry my name 1 year ago with this pride. I would also like to thank them for giving me the opportunity to learn what it really means to be a queen. It's not just a crown, it's what you do with the crown. I will never forget a pageant like this. I will never forget, or an organization like this, with a heart of gold and organizers who are diamonds. Thank you so much for giving me a year of blessings and filling it with a lot of pride and a lot of joy.
On this very stage, God made my birthday wish come true and gave me the best gift ever. Winning the first ever Binibining Cebu title opened a lot of opportunities that I could only dream of. It gave me a platform to inspire other women and contribute to what it means to be a modern Cebuana. None of this would be possible without the support of countless people. To my Ozar family, Sir Danny Buok, for making me realize that I am capable of making a difference. To the trainings by Aces and Queens, Mami Carrie Santiago for believing in me, Mami Jonas Borses for always being there, Dr. Fremont and Dr. Lorna Amor for taking care of me, and to my glam team who gets me ready to face the world. Thank you to the Sacred Heart School for Boys Batch 1985 for your generosity in giving back to Cebu and making a pageant that is truly meaningful. My amazing experience with Binibining Cebu gave me 53 new sisters who shared a fruitful and unforgettable journey with me. I will treasure you girls forever. My deepest gratitude to my family who have been my pillar of strength and love. You are the fuel that pushes me to pursue my dreams and make them a reality. My dearest sister, M. Smith, thank you for being by my side when I face challenges and battles. Finally, to the next Binibining Cebu winner, remember that nothing comes easy with the right attitude and people around you. You will triumph and shine. Keep your faith, hold on to your values, and smile through difficult times. You're on your way to do amazing things. With a heart filled with gratitude, it's time to say farewell. It has been an amazing journey, one in which I have learned enough to last a lifetime. Truly yours, your first ever Binibining Cebu.
Ladies and gentlemen, our past winners. Binibining Cebu 2017 second runner-up, Kathleen May Lendio of Danao City. Binibining Cebu 2017 first runner-up, Ingrid Elizabeth Herodias of Minglanilla. Binibining Cebu Charity 2017, Maria Higante of Bantayan. Binibining Cebu Tourism 2017, Samantha Law of Asturias. And your Binibining Cebu 2017, April Smith of Badyan. Let's all give them a big round of applause. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, your Binibining Cebu 2017 April April Smith and her court. Crowns by Orochina. Gowns by Carrie Santiago and shoes by Shandar.
Thank you once again to our reigning queens. A job well done, ladies. A very fruitful and very meaningful year for our first batch of Binibining Cebu winners.
Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I think it is about time for us to get to the moment that all of you have been waiting for. That is right. We're going to find out right now who Binibining Cebu 2018 is going to be. And of course, I just want to also say congratulations to last year's winners. Such an incredible journey, and we're all proud of you as well. And tonight, they're going to be turning their crowns over to our winners, and we're going to find those out right now.
Ladies, a month and a half of being together, and it all boils down to this. Take a deep breath, and here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this year we will not only be crowning 3 beautiful ladies, we will be crowning 5. All 5 of our winners will be given titles and responsibilities with those crowns. Our new titles this year is Binibining Ecology, Binibining Heritage, and of course we have our 3 titles, Binibining Charity, Binibining Tourism, and of course, Binibining Cebu 2018.
All right, and we do have the results. So can we please welcome back on stage Mr. Roderick Danao of Isla Lipana and Company, PwC Philippines, to hand us the official results. Hello, sir. All right. Thank you, sir.
Let's begin with Binibining Cebu Ecology 2018 is Binibining Bourbon Isabella Deutsch.
Congratulations to our winner there. Sir Kenneth. Carla to the rescue. Congratulations.
Once again, congratulations to Binibining Bourbon.
Next up, Binibining Cebu Heritage.
Binibining Cebu Heritage 2018 is Lou Dominic Bigzon. Congratulations, Binibining Rhonda. Up next, we have Binibining Cebu Charity. Binibining Cebu Charity 2018 is Matridejos, Tracy Maureen Perez. Congratulations, Binibining Madridejos. Up next, we have Binibining Cebu Tourism. Binibining Cebu Tourism is Cebu. Any bets? Binibining Cebu Tourism is Alegria, Kimberly Covert. Congratulations, Binibining Alegria or Binibining Cebu Tourism. Cebu! Kinsa Bangyod! The second, Binibining Cebu! Binibining Cebu 2018 is all right, Cebu, here we go. Binibining Cebu 2018 is Mandawi City! Steffi Rose Pearson, Amina Story! Ladies and gentlemen, your Binibining Cebu 2018 Mandawi City Steffi Rose Abenastori.
Congratulations!
And what an incredible night here at the Pacific Grand Ballroom of the Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino. Thank you everyone for joining us here tonight, showing your support to all of our fabulous 53 candidates. You've been such a great audience tonight.
Of course, we would like to thank the men behind Binibining Cebu's Sacred Heart School for Boys Batch 1985 Foundation Incorporated, headed by its president, Mr. Kenneth Lim.
To the project chairperson, Mr. Raymond Q, and creative producer, Mr. Kenneth Cobenbue, thank you so much.
We would also like to thank the pageant chairperson, Carrie Santiago, and of course the artistic director, Mr. Victor Halcuenco, and his very, very creative and capable team.
My name is Casey Montero, the better Montero, and I had a great time.
And I'm Carla Henry, your official host for Binibining Cebu 2018, the biggest, the grandest Binibining Cebu 2018. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan.